Hello, dear friends. If in our previous video we explored the 15 largest and most complex bird nests in the animal kingdom, then today, let's embark on an exciting journey of discovery and adventure through the most vibrant wonders of Mother Nature. This is a place where immense green giants exist, ancient trees that have withstood the test of time, the pillars of life and history. Imagine yourself standing under the shade of a living being that has witnessed thousands of years go by, feeling its antiquity and majesty. Or looking up at a tree trunk stretching skyward, feeling small before the vastness of nature. This journey will take us not only to the majestic crimson forests of California, but also to the legendary lands of Africa, where baobab trees with surreal shapes stand tall amidst the wildlands. Each ancient tree is not only a living organism but also a treasure trove of unexpected historical stories, making us not only amazed but also deeply respectful of nature's extraordinary power. Let's begin the journey. 1. The Baobab Prison Tree, a mysterious witness in the heart of Australia. Let's begin our journey deep in the Australian continent, where one of the most magical and mysterious trees on Earth resides, the baobab tree. These green giants, with lifespans of up to 1,500 years, impress not only with their immense size and unique shape but also with a rich history full of secrets and legends. Some baobab trees have a circumference of over 14 meters, their trunks resembling natural chambers. Surprisingly, in the 18th and 19th centuries, these baobabs were used as temporary prisons for Aboriginal people detained by colonial authorities. Their massive trunks could hold several people, transforming them into one-of-a-kind natural prison cells. But that's not all. The baobab's biological features are astonishing. Its swollen trunk resembles a giant water bottle, a brilliant structure that allows it to store large amounts of water to survive in harsh climates. Its root system extends wide and deep to draw water hidden beneath the earth. The leaves and fruit have long been used by local tribes as food and medicine. Today, baobabs are not only natural wonders but also important cultural and historical relics, reminding us of the resilience and enduring spirit of life. 2. The Tule Tree in Mexico, a cultural and timeless symbol. Next on our journey, we travel to Oaxaca, Mexico, where another natural marvel awaits, the Tule Tree. This ancient tree boasts the largest trunk circumference in the world, about 58 meters, and stands 35 meters tall. Standing before the Tule Tree, you'll feel small and overwhelmed by the grandeur of nature. According to local legend, this tree was planted around 1,400 years ago by a Zapotec priest named P, a devotee of the wind god. Today, the Tule Tree still stands tall as a living symbol of the culture and heritage of Oaxaca's people, attracting thousands of visitors from around the world. Many believe the Tule Tree possesses a special energy that brings peace and harmony to those standing beneath its canopy. Shapes of animals, plants, and even human figures can be seen in its bark and branches, enhancing its mystery and uniqueness. The Tule Tree is a living example of the perfect blend between nature and culture, creating a truly one-of-a-kind natural masterpiece. 3. The Angel Oak Tree, a living witness of strength and time. Our journey continues to the Angel Oak Tree, a living testament to the endurance and miraculous strength of nature. Its vast canopy stretches wide, providing cool shade and shelter for all. Those seeking refuge from the sun's rays find shade beneath the vast canopy of the oak tree, which spans a large area, with its longest branch reaching 57 meters. The most astonishing thing about the Angel Oak Tree is its age. It has lived for hundreds of years and continues to thrive, as though nothing can halt its journey. The tree's name comes from the plantation of an American slave owner named Justice Angel. Local legend tells that the ghosts of former slaves appear around the tree like angels to the island's residents. The angel oak is not just a tree but a symbol of strength and resilience passed down through generations. Its unique beauty and majestic presence attract thousands of visitors each year, who marvel at the greatness of nature. Deep in the ancient forest, where every tree holds thousands of stories, the angel oak stands as a giant that compels one to pause and admire it as if it has witnessed the dawn of time and silently observed the passage of the centuries. The deep wrinkles on its trunk remind us of nature's strength and wisdom, showing that humanity is but a small part of a much larger world. 4. The Oyamel Tree, a resting place for monarch butterflies. Next, we explore the Oyamel Tree, which not only shelters various plant and animal species but also serves as a unique stop for monarch butterflies during their migration. Every autumn, these magical butterflies travel thousands of kilometers from Canada and the United States to tropical forests in Mexico, seeking refuge in the oyamel trees for the winter. This phenomenon is tied to the region's unique climate and biological features. The oyamel tree provides shade and protects the butterflies from the wind while secreting sap that offers essential nutrients. Those lucky enough to witness monarch butterflies resting on the oyamel tree experience the extraordinary beauty of nature, as these tiny creatures cross vast distances to preserve their species and ensure life for future generations. 5. Giant sequoias, the titans of California. California, home to towering natural wonders, hosts the giant sequoia trees, an unmissable destination in this journey. These green giants can exceed 83 meters in height, equivalent to a 25-story building, and the diameter of their trunks at the widest point can reach up to 11 meters, wide enough that about 20 adults holding hands would be needed to encircle them. Standing under the canopy of such a colossal tree feels like standing before a grand witness to history, a magnificent being that seems to exist only in legends. Giant sequoias are remarkable not only for their size but also for their almost unbelievable age. Scientists estimate they have lived for over 2,200 years, meaning they existed even before the Roman Empire was founded. Imagine the vast changes these trees have witnessed, from climate shifts to the emergence of humanity. Giant sequoias are truly awe-inspiring, not only due to their size or age but also their resilience against the forces of nature. Their thick bark is rich in tannin, making them fire-resistant and allowing them to survive the wildfires that are a natural part of the local ecosystem. Standing beneath a giant sequoia feels like facing an immortal sentinel, a being that has endured the harshest tests of time and nature, remaining steadfast and unyielding. 6. The Dead Forest, a mysterious relic in the Namib Desert. Our journey now leads us to an enigmatic location, as if taken straight from a science fiction novel. The Dead Forest, located in the parched marshlands of Defy, sits at the heart of the Namib Desert. The landscape leaves a lasting impression with its apocalyptic beauty and contrasting colors, the white clay basin surrounded by fiery red dunes. At its center are twisted, lifeless tree trunks, seemingly frozen in time. Legend has it that this dead forest was formed centuries ago when the river flowing through the dunes was blocked by sand, cutting off water to the basin and leaving trees to die from thirst. The harsh environment preserved them, transforming the area into a place suspended in time, a living testament to the power of nature. For photographers and visitors, Defy is an endless source of inspiration, where they can capture stunning compositions and unique perspectives through the interplay of light and shadow. 7. Mangrove trees, nature's champions of adaptation. We continue our journey into the world of mangrove trees, plants that grow in salt water and thrive in muddy soil. These mangroves survive in extreme conditions where most other plant species cannot take root. Mangrove trees are true champions. In the world of adaptation, their roots are submerged in salty water and must constantly withstand rising tides. Some mangrove species develop aerial roots that rise above the water to absorb oxygen, while others have salt-resistant leaves that help regulate the salt levels in their tissues. Not only do mangrove trees survive harsh conditions, but they also play a vital role in coastal ecosystems. Their dense thickets create a unique habitat for various animals and plants, including rare birds, fish, and shrimp. Moreover, mangrove forests serve as natural barriers protecting coastlines from erosion and natural disasters such as tsunamis and storms, helping to minimize damage to coastal communities. 8. Dragon Blood Tree, the mystical symbol of the wild island of Socotra. Our journey into nature takes us to the remote island of Socotra in the Arabian Sea, where we find one of the most mysterious and peculiar trees on Earth, the dragon blood tree. This tree impresses with its strange shape, featuring a broad canopy that resembles a giant mushroom or an open umbrella, rising up to 10 meters tall. Its branches reach skyward, forming a thick dome that allows it to survive the island's arid climate by retaining moisture. A standout feature of the dragon blood tree is its thick, red sap, resembling dragon's blood, which oozes when the trunk is wounded, the origin of its name. This sap has long been used by local people and traders around the world as medicine, dye, and even in ancient magical rituals. It is believed that the sap possesses healing properties and mystical powers. The island of Socotra, where this unique tree thrives, hosts a special ecosystem with many rare species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. The dragon blood tree represents the mystery and hidden strength of the natural world, attracting scientists and nature lovers alike. 9. Rainbow eucalyptus, nature's painter with vibrant colors. Our adventure continues with the mesmerizing rainbow eucalyptus, a true marvel of nature. This tree captivates with its vivid, bright colors. Its bark shimmers in all the hues of the rainbow, creating a spectacular living artwork. It's a natural artist, painting its trunk and branches with extraordinary shades that inspire awe. Initially, the bark appears fresh green, gradually turning to shades of blue, purple, orange, and deep red. As the bark ages and peels away, new bark is revealed underneath, causing the tree's colors to change continuously. The rainbow eucalyptus becomes a symbol of natural beauty and boundless creativity in the plant world, a reminder that even seemingly ordinary trees can spark endless inspiration and joy for humans. 10. Euphrates poplar, the ancient guardian of wisdom and life. Would you like to hear the tale of an ancient protector of knowledge through generations? This is the Euphrates poplar, a majestic and wise tree growing along the banks of the Euphrates River, having witnessed countless civilizations and eras. The Euphrates poplar stands out for its ability to survive harsh desert conditions, with roots reaching as deep as 30 meters to access underground water. Its waxy leaves and branches help retain moisture and reduce water loss in extreme heat. This tree has become a symbol of resilience and adaptability, thriving where other plants cannot survive. Beyond survival, the Euphrates poplar holds profound cultural significance for many peoples. For centuries, its wood has been used in construction and for household items, while its leaves and bark have been valuable in traditional medicine and cosmetics. In various religious traditions and myths, the Euphrates poplar is often associated with eternal life and spiritual rebirth. Environmentally, it plays an essential role in the Euphrates River's ecosystem. Its dense canopy shelters many animals and birds, while its deep roots prevent erosion and safeguard the river's water. Along the Euphrates, where this ancient tree grows, life and renewal flourish, reminding us of the importance of preserving nature. 11. Centurion tree, the tallest eucalyptus in the world. Deep within the magnificent forests of Tasmania, Australia, the centurion tree rises as one of the most impressive trees on the planet. It is the tallest eucalyptus tree in the world and the third tallest tree on Earth, reaching a height of 100 meters, equivalent to a 25-story building. Named after a Roman officer commanding 100 soldiers, the centurion tree stands tall and proud with grandeur. Eucalyptus trees in general, and centurion in particular, are famous for their extraordinary growth and resilience, demonstrating nature's power and endurance. Its presence in Tahoe National Park is a testament to nature's persistence, leaving all who see it in awe of this ecosystem's wonder. 12. Milk tree, the magical natural source of milk. The milk tree is not just an ordinary tree but a precious resource. What's miraculous about this species is its ability to release white, milk-like sap when its trunk is wounded. This sap is a nutritional source for many animals and even humans, making the milk tree a special and valuable natural resource. This phenomenon stems from the tree's unique anatomy, with sap-carrying vessels. When under pressure or injured, these vessels rupture and the white sap begins to flow. The sap can be used as food, and locals have long used it as a milk substitute. When boiled, the sap can also be made into wax for candles or chewing gum, turning the milk tree into an invaluable resource provided by nature. 13. Giant bamboo, the record holder for rapid growth. In the dense tropical rainforests, the giant bamboo rises as one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. This bamboo species is not just a plant but a miracle of nature. It can reach heights of up to 30 meters and diameters of up to 30 centimeters. Remarkably, it can grow to its full size in just a few months. During peak growth, it can increase by up to 1 meter per day, making it the fastest growing plant on the planet. Its smooth, hollow stalks are divided by distinct nodes, and their strength and flexibility make giant bamboo an essential material for construction and manufacturing. Many types of products, from houses, bridges, and cradles to socks and musical instruments, bamboo plays an important role in the lives of many cultures. Its sustainable nature and flexibility have made bamboo a valuable resource. Moreover, bamboo carries special cultural significance in the lives of many Asian peoples. It is cherished as the wood of the poor due to its abundance and ease of processing. Bamboo is used to make traditional tools, household items, and even in art. 14. Devil tree, a natural burning wonder full of mystery. The devil tree is a rare and astonishing natural phenomenon that appears in various parts of the world. Within the trunk and branches of this tree, a mysterious self-igniting process occurs, maintaining a flame inside the tree without burning or collapsing it. The cause of this phenomenon remains a mystery to scientists. Some theories suggest it is the result of bacterial decomposition inside the wood, which generates heat and sparks flames. Another theory proposes that gases forming within the tree may ignite under specific conditions. Additionally, some scientists believe the phenomenon originates from lightning strikes that set the tree aflame from within. This self-igniting wonder has made the devil tree one of the most intriguing mysteries in the plant world. 15. Flotsway, the silk thorn tree, beauty-blending thorniness and brilliant blossoms. The silk thorn tree is not just a plant but an artist of the natural world. Its trunk is covered in sharp thorns to protect against external threats, giving it a tough and fierce appearance. But true magic begins in bloom season, when the tree becomes adorned with vibrant flowers, creating a festival of color and fragrance that captivates every eye. In its natural habitat, the silk thorn tree shelters many animal and bird species. Its flowers offer a valuable source of nutrition for pollinators, playing a crucial role in the local ecosystem. 16. The kauri tree, great guardian of time in New Zealand. New Zealand is the land of magnificent kauri trees, towering into the sky like giant guardians of time. The kauri tree is not just a plant but a living monument of nature's greatness. Some kauri trees can reach heights of up to 50 meters and have trunks over 13 meters in circumference. These giants have existed on Earth for thousands of years, witnessing countless historical events and major planetary changes. The origin of this species dates back to ancient times, when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. Today, kauri trees are a vital part of New Zealand's ecosystem, helping to maintain balance in local forests. They provide shelter and food for many species of animals and plants, forming a unique ecosystem found only here. Among the towering trunks and canopies, one can feel the power and wisdom of nature, where life has thrived and evolved over millions of years. 17. The President Tree, a majestic symbol of natural power. One of the most magnificent and grand trees on the planet is the President Tree, a giant sequoia located in Sequoia National Park in California. This tree has staggering dimensions, standing over 75 meters tall with a trunk volume of more than 1,300 cubic meters. It has existed for over 3,000 years, predating the construction of Egypt's pyramids. It is a living witness to history, surviving countless eras, civilizations, and millennia. The President Tree is not only remarkable for its size but also for its majestic beauty. Its trunk is like a colossal pillar, covered in thick, textured bark, giving it strength and solidity. Its massive branches stretch into the sky like giant arms, while its strong root system anchors deep into the earth, providing stability and nourishment. The President Tree is a symbol of natural strength and wisdom. It inspires awe and reverence in all who behold it, reminding us of the importance of protecting and respecting the natural world. Dear friend, our journey exploring nature's giants has come to an end. Together, we have wandered through ancient forests, mystical lands, and distant islands to admire the most vivid wonders of Mother Nature. These ancient trees are not just living beings but witnesses of history, symbols of power, endurance, and the beauty of the natural world. They remind us of humanity's smallness before nature's greatness and the importance of conserving and respecting the environment. Let's continue to explore, learn, and protect these priceless treasures so they may keep inspiring future generations.